Hey guys, welcome to the Molten Core overview. This can be really quick. Each boss is going to be probably about a minute long. Um, and let's go into the trash. So for all our trash, so you're going to see core hounds. They're going to pat around every now and then. Can't CC them. You're going to face them away from the raid as we kill them. Pretty much melee will obviously stack on the back, and then range will have their own little group. Just be aware of your surroundings. Fire Lords, when we pull them, they'll usually come in groups of two. Pallies will need to take off the silence or the dots. When lava spawns, we have to immediately switch to them, or they'll just keep replicating, so we have to kill them as quick as possible. Lava Surgers, they kind of zip around the place. If you see that are Surgers, we need to stack on them. Everyone stacks on 1 point. It'll usually be like a diamond or a star or something. Lava Annihilators, they similarly move around, but they just drop aggro every 3 seconds. They'll have to be re-taunted. Lava packs are pulled commonly in areas like Baron Geddon's hallway right before you fight them. And then you also fight them kind of across the bridge and other areas. Range you to stay as far back from the initial target as possible. And we kill the Fire Swarm and then the Flame Guards before we kill the Elemental. Warlock should be banishing the Elemental. Molten Giant packs. There's Giants and there's Destroyers. Giants will die first. Destroyers will be pulled away from the raid. So that's all the trash, actually, outside of the little goblin packs and everything. Anyways, we'll make a video for next boss. Take care.